friends, my name is Sydney and I'm going to show you guys how to make a pour painting today. Here's an example of a fully dried one. I have a blank canvas for us to work with today. First step, you're going to want to have a baking tray or some kind of area to catch your paint. Now, I like to use some tacks to level my canvas. So I'm just gonna stick them in each corner. On the back. So that way when the paint dries, you won't have to rip it up from the surface that it dried on. So now I have all my tacks. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the tray. The supplies you're gonna need, I like to use these dollar craft paints personally. I have these 5 colors picked out. And then we're just gonna mix them with glue. I have my glue already poured out into a cup. And it's about a 1-to-4 ratio of glue to paint. So we can start with this green. Should have shaken that up a little bit better. So there, about a 1/4 of the cup is full of paint. Add a little bit more. Now we're gonna top it off with some glue. And then use a popsicle stick to stir it all together until it's the solid color is when you know you are good to stop stirring. Alright, so the next color we've got is our gold. Now for this color shift aqua, this is one of my favorites. Could have had a little bit more in there, but we'll just use a little less of this color. Now we're going to top it off with the glue. Stir that up until we have a solid color. All right, now for our black. These have been sitting on my shelf for a while, so you want to make sure to shake them up before you squeeze them out. So there is our black paint. We're gonna do the 1-to-4 ratio, covering it with glue. And we're gonna stir that up with a popsicle stick. Next step, once we have all of our colors mixed, we're going to use a different new queen cup to do this pouring technique that is called flip cup. So what you're going to want to do, pour each of the colors into the cup. Doesn't matter what order. You could even go back and add more of each color if you want. Add a little more gold and blue. Now this is where it gets messy. This is the fun part. You can wear gloves for this if you want to. I'm running low, so I'm not using any gloves today. You're gonna pick up your canvas, hold your paint cup in one hand, place the canvas flat over the paint cup. Use your other hand that's not holding the cup to hold the back of the canvas where the cup is sitting, and then you're gonna flip it over. Gently lay it back down into your tin. And now we're gonna lift up the cup. And voila, there is our pour. You can pick it up and move it around. Spreading the color from edge to edge. And if it runs off, that's okay. That's why we have this pouring tin underneath. And then I'm just gonna use a little bit of the leftover to cover up this corner right here. And there we go. That is our paint pour lesson of the day. And you're just gonna wanna let it dry fully until you remove it from the tin. It takes about 24 hours depending on how much paint is in there. Leave it in a room with a fan on and it'll dry a little bit faster, but there we go, paint pouring.